Today, I'm taking you on a tour of an incredible house in the city of Weston, the #1 ranked city in Broward County to live and to raise a family. Before we start the tour, let me tell you why Weston is so highly regarded, and it starts with their exceptional public schools. This home is zoned for Eagle Point Elementary, Tequesta Trace Middle, and Cypress Bay High, all of which are highly rated. If you have children, they'll have access to some of the best education right here in your new community. While your kid's at school, you might find yourself here at the Town Center Shopping Plaza, where you can get a new wardrobe, a Rolex, and even a massage. And if you're like me, you'll likely be stopping here before you pick up your kids to get your caffeine fix, because you're likely going to bring them to the park. Another one of Weston's biggest draws is its parks and outdoor recreational facilities. Starting off with Peace Mountain Park, which offers a scenic lake trail and a covered playground, while Markham Park features a mountain bike trail and even a model airplane field. As we approach your new home, you're gonna notice something truly unique about this location. Right in front of your home, you have this grassy field. It's perfect for reading a book, taking a walk, maybe playing ball, or even doing a workout. As we enter, you immediately feel the welcoming atmosphere of this well-designed home. Straight ahead, you have your living room, and off to the left, your formal dining room. Both spaces are perfect for your gatherings with friends and family. Now follow me around the corner and I'll show you the heart of this home. Here you have the combined space of your kitchen, family room, and breakfast nook. The open layout provides a fantastic space for both everyday living and entertaining. The kitchen, with its modern elegance with classic design, gives you an open feel that lets you cook and make drinks while staying connected with family activities. Now let's explore the bedrooms of this house, because it is the perfect split. We have 3 secondary bedrooms and a full bath on this side of the house, which is perfect for family, guests, and of course your kids. Now let's go on the other side of the house, where you have the 5th bedroom and the primary suite. This room is massive. Check out the vaulted ceilings, the crown molding, and my wife's favorite part, the walk-in closet. Just kidding, this is my wife's favorite when she saw the pictures. Look at this bathroom. I know that my wife would never leave here if we bought this house. And what's really convenient about it, it has its own exit to the patio. Speaking of the patio, let's step outside. The back patio faces northwest, which reflects the sunlight beautifully off of your lake and pool. And now let's zoom up in the sky and look down from above, and what you'll see is a huge pie-shaped lot. And it's completely fenced in and lined with trees that gives you the privacy that you want and deserve. Weston offers an unbeatable combination of public schools, parks, recreational facilities, shopping, and dining. So you definitely don't want to miss on this opportunity to call this house your home. And by the way, if you love videos like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell to see more just like it.